Hey guys, Jess here. I am back and I want to give a little bit of a life update. I am, let's see, where to begin. There's just been so much that has happened over the past, what has it been, year and a half, almost 2 years since I've done some recording consistently. A lot has gone on in life, which has also been why I haven't been able to post consistently or at all. I want to start by saying, like, Wyatt is doing amazing. He's finishing up 3rd grade. He's going to be 10 this year, which is wild. He's doing fantastic. Still has a passion for golf. And he is also your typical child who, of course, loves his video gaming. Natalie is also doing amazing. She's wrapping up her junior year. She's driving. She has a part-time job. She's doing amazing in school. Now we're starting to look at colleges, which is just, it's hard to believe we're here. My parents are now here on my property, which is a super exciting development. My grandmother passed away 2 years ago, and they decided they didn't want to stay down where they were in her home. They wanted to be closer. And I wanted them to be closer too, just as they're aging and, you know, they're going to need help more and more over time. So they sold my grandmother's home. They moved in with us, lived with us since this last September, and they now have an ADU on our property, which is super exciting. I'll post a cute little picture here so you can see. It's been a very interesting experience. We've learned a lot, but we're so happy that they're here. They're close. Wyatt is thrilled. My sister's like 8 minutes up the road, so we're all kind of together, which is really nice. So that's been a lot. And it's taken up a lot of my time, but I'm so glad that we're on the other side and we're nearing the end of this project. Just a little bit of landscape, groundwork, landscaping work to do. So that's exciting and huge and new. And then finally, I am losing my job. I'm being let go from the company I've worked for the past 12 years. My department is being replaced with a vendor. And so this has just been a big moment of like, holy cow, what's next, right? I don't know where to go from here. 'Cause 12 years is a long time, right? But as I've processed this change in my life and I'm looking at, what are my next steps, I sat back and I'm like, you know what? This is a great opportunity to like reset for me, to really take time and figure out like, what does Jess want? And what I want is to be creative again, in all honesty. Like, I miss memory keeping. I've done very little, unfortunately, over the past couple of years, just because between work and life, my creative brain just hasn't been there, and time. And so I feel like the universe has kind of given me this opportunity to like step back and take a look at the grand scheme of things and be like, what does Jess want to do? Where do I want to be? What does the next 6 months, year, 5 years look like for me? And a big part of that for me is like this community and like coming back and creating videos and engaging with you all. I miss that terribly, and I want to bring that back. And so I am stepping foot back into this community and looking forward to engaging with you all again, bringing content, catching up on my backlog of memory keeping, using my stash, and redoing my craft room. You're seeing some of the chaos back here, but this was my guest bedroom for my parents for quite a few months. So I'm literally kind of starting fresh in this space. So I'm going to be painting. I'm going to be rearranging the furniture, probably bringing in some new pieces. I have rediscovered my love of reading again, and so I have a little library corner in this space as well. So I'd love to take you all along with that journey with me. And I'm just so excited and grateful and looking forward to like this reset, if you will. That's the way I'm looking at it, is just a reset, and being given the opportunity to kind of find that balance again in my life where creativity and memory keeping is such a big part of it. So there's going to be more coming. I'm going to try to figure out, you know, like a schedule and content. So I'd love to hear from you all in the comments, you know, what you want to see from me, of course. That's always helpful, and I want to make sure that I deliver to the best of my ability. But yeah, it's going to be a slow roll out the gate, but I hope to pick up steam as I kind of figure out what this all looks like. And of course, you know, I still am going to need to pursue another career, but that's also, I feel, again, I've been given the gift of opportunity to kind of figure out what does that look like for me. So, I'm really trying to take this as a positive, and I'm really excited about what the future holds. So I'm thrilled to be making this video. I'm thrilled that, like, I'm gonna have the opportunity to come back and engage with you all again. I've missed this so very much, and I hope you welcome me back. I hope you're excited to see me and excited to engage. And again, I would really love to hear what you want to see here on Jessica Grace. Like, what are you guys looking forward to? What do you miss? What are you working on? What do you need help with? The landscape of memory keeping has changed in a lot of ways too. And so I'm excited to just dive back in and explore all of that. So yeah, that is the update as of right now. I hope you all are as excited as I am, and keep an eye out for more videos and content here soon. But I'm so excited to be back. I'm so excited to share so much with you all and engage, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye.